Hi everybody, it's Susan from the Sacramento History Museum again, and this time I'm going to be telling you about our History's Mysteries camp kit that we have available here. So every kit again comes with a very stylish bandana, and it comes with a very detailed packet that has all the instructions in it that you need to do all the activities included. Again, it's about 50 pages long. It also comes with like a scavenger hunt kind of activity through the cemetery that you can go out and do with your family whenever you have time. So all of it's in here. You don't have to log in and watch our staff give you instruction. You can if you want, but it is all in there for you too. Now in this kit, one of my favorite things that it comes with is our Archeology Dig. If we were able to come here in person, we would do this, where it's kind of a simulated dig. But what we did was we actually put everything in there for you. We have the tools here, and you get to be the archaeologist and discover and uncover all the mysteries and the secrets that is below the ground here. We also have another time capsule activity that comes with every single kit that we have, so that you can really remember this time and save this for later. We've got just a blank puzzle that you can create your own puzzle and then challenge your friends or family with to do. It's going to come with clay, so you can actually make some of the clay pots and whatnot that a lot of archaeologists discover all the time when they are digging and uncovering secrets from the past. Let's see, then you get to be a real detective, and it comes with a fun fingerprinting kit. If you can see, it's got some black ink there. We explain all the different fingerprints, and then we'll send you on a little adventure to try and pick up some fingerprints, maybe even in your own home, so you can figure out what kind of print you have. This one is for code breaking, so you can actually create your own code and challenge maybe your friends or family to break it. Oh, this one's really fun. Invisible ink. It comes with all the things you need in order to write in invisible ink and then uncover what you said later. So you get to go all on your own mysteries here. This one too, it's a question mark. What could this be? And we'll let that one be a mystery for you, so that when you do get this, you can have a little bit of a surprise too. So this kit comes with all of these really fun activities. If you're interested, just check out our website at sachistorymuseum.org, or give us a call. It's $75 for the kit if you're a museum member, or $100 if you're not. We hope to see you really soon, but in the meantime, check out our kits.